Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing analysis of past exam questions and expected questions for corporate and other law paper of CA Inter for November 20 exams. Now, what am I going to show you first? First, we'll be discussing for each chapter, what are the expected questions for November 20? But nobody is going to believe how these values came and why should I study only this or give importance to this. So let me show you the workings behind that. What is the workings? How have we arrived at this? What is the logic for these expected questions? Before that, a small information. We have also released on the same YouTube channel for accounts and advanced accounts expected questions, and for accounts and law paper revision videos on YouTube channel. And most important note, disclaimer, the expected questions here are only based on the analysis we have done. It is in no manner trying to predict the exact question paper. You might get questions from here or you might not get them. So please study everything, but give importance to this. You'll understand why this video is going to be important for you in the next few minutes. So please stay with me. Now, you don't have to take a screenshot or try to note down on the side. I have given a link in the description of this video where the entire content, entire workings of this is there in a PDF. So you can download and go through that at your end. I will show you how to read the PDF. Now, for example, if we take, let's take a small chapter. Let's take agency chapter. For example, if you take agency chapter, in agency chapter, what topics have been tested from May 18 till November 19? May 20 has been cancelled, so we have 4 attempts in new syllabus. If you see duties of an agent's right in case of emergency was tested in May 18. In November 18, substituted agent concept was tested, and in May 19, modes of creation of agency, a small concept within the topic, and personal liability of agent has been tested. In November 19, when is agency revocable has been tested. If you can see, in no attempt, the same concept has been tested for the second time. The same concept works with most chapters. If you take Negotiable Instrument Act, 13 sub-concepts have been tested. None of the concepts have been repeated in these last 4 attempts. Same way for General Clauses Act, if you see, in the last 4 attempts, none of the concepts have been repeated. They have been testing new concepts. If you can see the trend, they have been testing new concepts. Same way for interpretation of statutes also. You can see that they have been testing new concepts over the attempts. The same thing works even with Companies Act, except for a few topics. For example, in share capital and debentures chapter, they had tested buyback once in May 18, once in May 19, and also once in November 19. So these type of questions are very rare. Majority of those questions have been tested once and still not repeated. They have not been tested. Also, I have mentioned in this sheet only those topics that have been tested in exams. So there are so many topics other than what topics which are mentioned over here, which are still not tested. So what I have done, from the topics which are already tested, I have taken few important topics which might repeat in November 20, and I have listed down all those topics which are relevant and important, which are still not tested in your exam. For example, if you take deposits chapter, in the last 4 attempts, they have not tested exempted companies, what 4 companies are exempted for to follow deposit rules, or eligible company limits are not been tested, or punishment for contravention, the new limits, new penalty has not been tested. For charges chapter, modification of charge has not been tested. However, time limit for creation of charges, very important, and there's an amendment. So even though it has been tested in the past, I have still included this in the expected question for November 20. Same way for all the topics, I have analyzed the past 4 attempts, picked few important topics from there and added those topics which are not tested in the past 4 attempts in new syllabus. For example, internal audit is one topic which has still not been tested and likely to be tested in your November 20. So I have mentioned that in your books of accounts chapter. So this sheet, how do you read? Don't study only this, but give more importance to these topics, meaning revise your entire syllabus one time, but these topics at least revise it 2 to 3 times. That is what is the objective of this video. Now the last tab, one more analysis which I have done is, I have taken last 4 attempts marks and their percentage as whole. If you see, May 18 and November 18 is a 100-mark theory paper, but May 19 and November 19 is MCQ plus theory paper. So what happens over here? For these two attempts, for May 19 and November 19, analysis is done only using 70 marks and it is projected for 100 using percentage which has been tested. So I have already categorized this from large to small. And you can see the first three important topics are management and administration meetings, negotiable instrument, and share capital and debentures. However, this importance is only based on past 4 attempts. You can clearly see over here, classic case, meetings chapter, even though it has the highest average and highest percentage, overall for 4 attempts, May 18 was 19 marks, November 18 10 marks, May 19 is 4 marks, but in November 19 it only came for 4 marks. Can you imagine meetings chapter only for 4 to 8 marks? That is what happened. So you can expect in November 20 that you can get more questions from management and administration. This attempt, personally, I believe books of accounts chapter, you can expect 10 to 15 marks this attempt. At least 2 4-mark questions I'm expecting from books of accounts chapter. Dividend is a mandatory question. You can see basically every chapter is mandatory. It is always somewhat the other way tested. And from preliminary chapter, if you see trend, it is only tested in November 18 and November 19, not tested in May 18. Preliminary also will be tested. Maybe they'll ask holding company, foreign company, some definition. So the workings are given over here, importance. But more than this sheet is not that relevant for me. This sheet is the most relevant for me. What are the expected questions? And also this sheet to show you the pattern of what sub-concepts have been tested. Basically, all the chapters will definitely be tested. If you see, all the chapters have been tested in the past, but which subtopic has been tested is what is important for us. So this is about this video. Again, link for all these workings. The PDF file is given in the description. You can also find links for accounts and advanced accounts expected question video also in the description. So all the very best for your exams. Good luck.